Hi everybody, it's Chevy with Daily City Rec, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine pocket heart out of paper. For this craft you can use any color paper that you'd like, but for me I'll be using black pink, and just grab a pair of scissors and you are ready. Fold the paper in half in this direction so it opens up like a book. So we're going to start cutting, but make sure you're cutting from this side. Make a cut like this and make sure you have at least 3 so we can weave the pocket together. And then I want to open it. Now begin weaving. So this is going to be tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it. So put one flap in, and then instead of going into this flap, you're going to put it through the pink. And now you're going to put it inside of here. The weaving part is a little tricky, but you'll get the hang of it towards the end. And once you finish, you should have been able to make this little pocket. I hope you enjoyed making these for Valentine's Day. Stay safe!